Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily remove white edges around an already selected image. So what we want to do is to press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then you put off one layer. Now this other layer, you're just going to hold Ctrl and click to make a selection of our image, and then we'll add a layer mask. So next we'll go to filter, order, minimum, we'll set the radius to 2 and it's okay. We turn on this layer to see the before and the after, the before and the after. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.